I'm sorry, but this is insane. Volcano dipper from Pete's Pizza. I'm so excited. Let's dive right in. I have no idea how to dive right in. I think you just rip and dip. Well, this slice is huge. Do we do that one? No. Let's grab like this one. So you rip. Rip, and then you dunk it. There's nothing in here. What? That's so hot. Cheers. This thing smells incredible. Look at all that dip. Look at all that creamy garlic dip. Oh my gosh, this is heaven. I mean, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love the idea. I think it's really cool. I can't wait to eat this part. But you don't get much dip in there. At least with this one. Like, I'm already at the bottom. Oh, wait. There's literally a metal tin. Okay, that makes so much sense. So this is baked around a metal tin of the creamy garlic sauce with cheese on top. I wish the cheese was more hot so it was like stringy. But you pretty much get like one full dip. So it's not too much dip. I wish there was a little bit more. The pepperoni one would probably be really good. But it is different than your normal cheese pizza, and I would get it again, but it's nothing like too special. But definitely go check it out because I liked it. And it's $12.99. I feel like that's a good size, and the dip's included. So go check it out for $12.99. Bye.